Hi, my name is Sudeep Raj. I am working for Persistent Systems Limited from 4.6 years. My designation is module lead. I am I have an experience in security domain and machine learning. I did my engineering from Pune University in 2015 and joined Persistent as Persistent was my first company. I have experience in analyzing the data set and providing the detailed EDA, that is the exploratory data analysis and visualization. I have the ability to design data driven solutions so that to it would be helpful to process the efficiency and provide the valuable solutions to the organization. I am passionate to learn, design, demonstrate, and develop our data driven models. Talking about my skill sets, so I am experienced in Python, machine learning, Flask, NumPy, Pandas, SQL, NLP, that is natural language processing, deep learning, data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and also having an experience in ETL and Kafka. So, talking about my certifications, I did certifications from IBM cognitive classes in data science and machine learning in Python, and certifications in data science from INSEAD, and also learned machine learning from Stanford University. So, talking about the projects like which I have worked on, the first project which I would like to explain you related to is the air quality indexing and create a statistical analysis to it. So, in air quality indexing, what we have to do is we have to gather the data from the websites, create the data set and provide a valuable solutions and analyze the data and provide the valuable solutions. So like we have to do the web crawling, gather the data from the weather forecasting API, and use a third party library API, and so that we would be able to collab all the data set and analyze do the statistical analysis and create a EDA report. And and with the help of that, so we have focusing on the three locations. Basically, the one is the Bangalore, Pune, Delhi. The three locations we are basically focusing on. We have created a detailed EDA report, and like what is the changes, like whether it related to the what are the natural calamities, or what is the changes being happened in the particular year. So we would be analyzing the data set of last 10 years, and with the help of that we have created a model out of it, so that we would be able to forecast the data, like what would be the future, like what would be the forecasting with of it. So we have created a Flask API, and with the help of that particular Flask API, like what all the informations we put, so our model would be capable, machine learning model would be capable to do the prediction and do the forecasting of it. So and we have also deployed that particular model in the Heroku platform. The second project like which I worked on is basically related to the employee attrition and remediations. So in that we have to analyze the data set, and with related to the different records, like with the help of the employee education, employees skill set, and how many number of experience that particular employee is having, the address, like the location where the employee is residing on, and different records are there. And at the end, like we have to do the prediction, like what is the whether the employee is getting attrited or not. So this is basically a classification problem. So in that, like it would be a binary value, we would be at the end we would be predicting the binary value, and with the help of that we would be calculating the probability basically. So with the help of that, so we have done the detailed analysis of that particular of the whole employees and provided a valuable solutions to it, so that what would be the measures which would help the employees to being attrited, like so that we can use these things and we can help the employee not to leave the organizations. And and I have also having like the third project which I would like to explain you basically is the IBM BigFix. So IBM BigFix is a patch management tool with which helps in making the system compliance basically. So from the Microsoft itself, the the security patches are being released. So what we have to do is like we have to build an application so that what all the patches the are coming from the Microsoft end. So we would be gathering all the patches and sending that patches to the client, like to our client basically. So I worked for IBM. Uh, so in that, like we have to build an application so that like what all informations are gathering, we are getting from the Microsoft. So we would be getting all the records, doing the we have to do the crawling part, we have to do the web scraping and do the crawling part, gather all the information of that every patches, compose we have to compose the data, and IBM usually have their own language basic, that is the relevances. So in that we have to build a fixlet so that they have their own scripts, so they have their relevances and action scripts, so that that makes the system compliance to the end user. And at the end the committer is there. So what all the information we have gathered, so we have at the end we would have created a fixlets. So that particular fixlets are getting passed to the end user of our customers, that the IBM customers. So in that we have used Python and Flask basically to build that particular application. So these are the three applications which I have worked on. So I am very much interested in learning new technologies and creating and building the POC or working on the POCs, so that it would be helpful and beneficial for the organization as well, and the current project, like how we can enhance the current project like which we are working on. So there are a lot more of measures, like I have also provided my input, so that I have also provided my input in the last project which I have worked on, and that is really appreciated with the project managers and the account managers. So these are the projects which I have worked on, and you can check my LinkedIn profile. My profile name is Sudeep Raj. So so you can visit my profile and check the details. Yep, that's all I have. Thank you.